Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a makeup video. So today we have our update for This Is Fantasy, a project, no not a project, a fantastic ladies collaboration was what I was trying to say. I will leave all the information you need for this project in the description box below this video, so please do check it out before you leave. So we only have a few things left. When I started this project pan, the products definitely would not have fit into this little basket. So the fact that now my products do fit into this little basket is really good, because it means I've hit a lot of goals in this project, and I have hit 2 more this month. So the first one of those is my goal for this Physicians Formula highlighter, only it isn't a Physicians Formula highlighter because it was a Franken product, and my goal was to use 1/4 of this up. So when we first started this project pan, the highlighter went up, it went up the whole of this side here, I had a goal of using up 1/4 of it, and as you can tell, I have done exactly that. So we just have this little bit left, and it's not that thick. It's not very thick in the pan there. So the truth of the matter is I'm probably going to continue to work on this throughout the rest of the year. We do have another 6 months to go, so I am hoping that I can actually get this finished by the end of the year and have this as an empty. But I am pulling it out of the project because it has met its goal. So last month this weighed 53.88 grams, and it now weighs 53.68 grams because there wasn't much left. There was a little bit left here in the corner and a little bit on this side that I still wanted to use up to get that full 1/4 used. But at the start of this project, it weighed 55.02 grams. So I've used about 2 grams worth of product, which I'm very happy with, or 1.5 grams of product. So I'm really happy with that. And as I say, I'm going to be working on the rest of this product for the rest of the year to try and finish it up. And then I'm probably going to get rid of the packaging because it's quite a bulky sort of packaging. So if I was going to repress something, I wouldn't use this pan to repress into, just simply because it's just so bulky. Yeah, it had a mirror in the bottom of it as well, so I guess that's why. So that's coming out of the project. And then the other item that I have hit goal on is my nail polish. So this still is, hasn't changed. This is a sleek nail polish in birthday suit. So there it is, and you can see from here we are now down to there. So we've used a real good chunk of this. I'd say 1/5 of this now. The goal was to use it 10 times, and up until the last update I had used it 8 times. I have used it that further 2 times this month, and I have now hit the 10 usage goal. I will say, however, that all 10 uses were not full manicures. They might have been like an accent nail here or there. I do have it on as a full manicure now with another nail polish as a topper, and I really do like this, so I may continue to keep using this in the future. But yeah, I'm really happy with that progress. This is now a contender for next year's like project polish because I've already got some usage goal on it. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. I love this colour. It's so wearable, and I can wear it because it dries matte. I can wear it as it is, or I can put a glossy top coat on and then love the colour even more. So yeah, really, really enjoyed it. I really like it. So that is coming out as well. Starting weight, when I first put this into the project, this weighed 30.97 grams. Last update it weighed 29.46 and now weighs 28.94. So we've actually used 2 grams of this. So I'm really happy, really happy with that. So yeah, very happy. So let's go on to the other products that are left in this project. So the first one of those, I was surprised, I have not used this. So this is my MAC single eyeshadow in Dust Off every month. This is the only product that is in this project pan that I have completely failed with. Like, I think I've used it 3 times in the whole of this project. I really need to get a move on with this. I think now that the highlighter is out of this project, I may start turning to this to highlight. I might as well. Because I really do like this shade. It is a real nice shade as a highlighter. Let's buff it out a bit for you. So it's a real nice highlighting shade. So yeah, I think I could actually start using this as a highlighter and get more use out of it that way. But yeah, it's actually gained a bit of weight. Shh, we don't tell. It went from 12.69 and it now weighs today 12.70, but that could just be a flux in the weighing scales. We don't mind on this channel. The next one, I honestly thought I was going to have this finished, but because we have been having quite a lot of hot weather, I absolutely do not want to be putting a heavy body butter on my skin, but I am so close to finishing it. There's no way I'm putting this away until it's done. This is my Body Shop, what's it called? Vanilla pumpkin flavour body butter, and I am that close. That's like 1 or 2 more uses. It really is that much. Or that little, I should say. But it's the last thing I want to be putting on my body in this heat. It really is. I do try and tend to take my baths sort of late night, like before bed, when it's a little bit cooler in the evenings, but still, a heavy body butter is not something I want to be doing in the winter, in the summer, sorry, it's more of a winter product for me. So I want to turn to my body yogurts now. I just need to use this up. So yeah, it's still in for another month, but I'm going to make it an empty for next month because there's absolutely no way I can do this. So last month this weighed 75.19 grams. It weighs 59.42 grams today. The next item is my Body Shop eye gel in the elderflower thing. The label is starting to peel off on this one now. Very difficult to see the product in here, but it is right there at the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. If I get my finger out of the way, but it's right there at the bottom. This is going to be finished by next month, for damn sure. I use this almost nightly, and when I wear makeup, I wear it before applying my makeup, and then I'll apply it after I've taken my makeup off. So when I do apply it, I apply it twice a day. And when I don't apply it, I don't apply it at all. So but it will definitely be finished by next month. So this has gone from 21.66 grams to 20.10 grams. Definitely be an empty next month. The next item I'm really happy with. This is my collection concealer for the Lasting Perfection one. And this has gone from 10.02 to 9.69. That's a lot of use. Definitely seeing windows now. And I am hopeful, not yet, but I am hopeful that this will be finished by the finale. The finale is in October, and I am sure that this is going to be an empty before then. This was one product, again, like the MAC single eyeshadow, that I was a bit worried that I wasn't going to be able to finish in time for the end of the project. But now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, I could have this finished. I could have this finished. So yeah, so 10.02 to 9.69. The next item is my number 7 eyeshadow pencil in Gunmetal Grey. we don't have much of this left at all. I have been trying to focus on it more this month. So there's a nice swatch for you. Absolutely love this shade. I have been using it a lot more. I say a lot more, I've used it twice. I might have used it a few more times than that. But it's gone from 12.33 grams to 12.28. The goal is to finish this off. This is another product that I do worry I might not get finished, especially if I'm only using it twice a month. But I do want to get this finished by the end of the year. I do want to have this as an empty this year, because it has been in my collection for way too long, and it's not performing as well as it used to. Like before, there was nothing that could budge this off my eyes until I actually took an oil based makeup remover to it, and then it would remove. But now it is starting to it's easier to remove nowadays. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's that one. The next one, so haven't used it. It's the Glitter Dust by Barry M in this beautiful green mermaid shade. Have not used it. Are we surprised? With products like this and putting them into project pans, it makes us realise how very little we use products like this. However, do we want to stop buying products like this? No, because they're pretty when we do use them. I only have a couple of loose glitters like this, or loose pigments like this, and I'm happy with the colours that I have. It's a little look for you there. But having this in this project pan goes to show me, because it's only in for 10 uses and I still have not hit that. I've only had 4 uses out of this since October, so it goes to show me how very little I use these, and it stayed the same way. It's still 21.14 grams. So by having it in the project pan though, it keeps reminding me month in, month out, don't buy any more. So I know a lot of people would say, you haven't used it, you're failing at this product in the project pan, but I'm not, because the way I look at it is the fact that I haven't used it 10 times since October, which was all the goal was, proves to me month in, month out, don't buy any more. Don't buy any more. And so it's stopping me from purchasing any more pigments, because I've seen some gorgeous colours in these Barry M glitters and I don't buy them because of this product in this project pan. So it is actually working for me having it in this project. So silver lining, you know, see the good in everything. And the last product left in this project pan is my Revolution Skin Kiss bronzer, only it isn't, because it is a Franken product. I want to open this without breaking my nails. So here we are. Here is what we have left. This product has gone from 85.50 to 85.25 grams. I can see this product getting used a lot more in the near future, because the tan shade that is in my Pan That palette this year is almost finished, like so close, and I'm planning to use this shade. Even though this is a bronzer, I will use this shade in my crease. So as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. I'm wearing it as my bronzer today. I will use that shade in my crease once that tan shade in my Pan That palette has completely been used up. I do this quite often with my bronzers. When I'm getting very close to the end of a bronzer, I will start using it as a crease colour, just simply to try and get it used up. The good thing about this is that the pan is huge enough that I can still pick it up with my brush, with my bronzer brush. But yeah, I will be turning to this as a crease shade as well in the near future. So I can see this definitely being finished by the end of the project in October. So yeah, that was that product. So some good progress going on here. I definitely will have the Body Shop eye gel finished by next month, and the Body Shop body butter as well. So that will be 2 more products out of this project by next month, which will leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products left in the project. So definitely get these done. So I'm very happy with my progress, and I'm so excited to have got a lot of use on these products as well throughout the last year. So yeah, very excited that I think the thing that I'm most worried about is this, and this, because the goal for this is to hit pan. The goal for this is 10 uses, and the goal for this is to use up. So these are the 3 items I think will be left in till the last minute, and then I'm worried I might not hit goal on. The bronzer and the concealer, I think I will definitely hit my goals on them, use them up completely before the finale, I want to say, maybe. But yeah, very excited for this project. I could have a 95% chance of finishing everything. I don't know. I was never good at percentages when I was at school. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.